Well, I'm back for the evening review, and it's not good. I took two losses and shut it down. But it's good. It was good trade, so I don't feel bad about that. And I don't feel bad about I got the discipline to shut down after two trades. I wanted to trade some more. Look at this big drop. I had my buys wrong. Well, I'm not gonna say the buys because I was taking draws on liquidity and it didn't go. But it just went out all day. But I got out after the second trade, so I didn't watch it. Cut the computer off, cut the charts off, and I left the house. So, but this is what I tried. So ES was stronger all morning. So why I was taking ES trying to get a draw on this previous week high. ES was strong all morning. All right, to start off, so you see right here, this is the first trade. My plan was to draw to this previous day week, but I was going to break even as soon as I get here. As soon as I get there, I was going to go break even. And I just knew it was going down, but I just knew it was going to go to there. Well, Anna, let me show you what the charts look like above. This is what you look like above there. Clear to the top. No red fair value gaps above. Just to get to that high. That's all I wanted to do to get to that high. So as you can see, I got in right there and we went no further than that. Came down, took me out. Okay. Now how many times have you seen where you think price is going to and it don't go first time? It come down, take weekends out like me, and then come right back up and go to where you thought it was gonna go. So I wasn't FOMOing in or anything. Like I said, I feel good about this trade. Just didn't work. I wasn't FOMOing in on anything because I've seen this 100 times. It come down, didn't work this first time, but I wouldn't have got in it unless it sat up again. And lo and behold, look at here. Nice drop, inverse, come back, nice push back through. I just knew we was going this time. At least, like I said, I'm just trying to get to here. Break even. If I get there, break even. Then I just would have been a break even trade. But the plan to push to here. Got back in right here. Look at that. Didn't go. Didn't touch this high. Touched that high maybe. But not this high. So I stayed with it. And it dropped. So that was my two trades for the day. Two losses for the day. And I'm done. I mean, after two losses, I used to trade one loss and done. Which sometime I wish I would. But look, this is where I messed up. I was so stuck on getting to. That's the thing about trading. Sometimes you get stuck on your price, where you think your draw on liquidity is, and you can't see the forest. You only seeing the trees. Look at here. Look at this nice SMT. So if you got an SMT on the top, you're looking for price to go lower. I know I talk about SMT, but I don't explain. Look at that. I'm worrying about getting to this high. Look at this nice SMT to set up. You could have closed. So NQ was weaker, so I'd have been looking to trade NQ because I was looking to trade ES as stronger. If I'd have not been blinded by trying to get to that previous day high and looking over here, I'd have took this, and I would have the same play all the time. There's nothing in the way. So you would get in here, break even here. And it might have took me out where no mic involved. It would have took me out. But that's fine. But I would right there out of broke even. It went down, come back up, took me out. And I probably wouldn't have tried no more. But anyway, all days are not winning. All days are not good days. So, but I'm not mad. I took 7 trades this week. One or two losses, 4 break evens. I'm only down half or all for the week. So that's not bad. Next week I'm gonna get 2, 3 winners. No losers. Maybe some break evens, but no losers. I'm gonna make up for that. So it's just the way it go. You gotta take the good with the bad. But I'm gonna try to this weekend work on maybe doing my coming out party where I'm showing my face and stuff. I didn't want to do it, but I think I gotta do it. So I'm just trying to think what I'm gonna talk about. But anyway, have a good holiday. Have a good weekend. See you Monday. If I don't get to that recording this weekend.